About to take some flicks, get some videos, watch some people eat maybe fall in the mud, who knows?
We are at the Smagical Adventure Retreat and we are racing a Nitro Circus pit bike race, which means a lot of people are going to run into each other and it's going to be really funny.
Look, get your helmet on and let's go race, man.
I don't have knee pads.
You got pants, man. That's the same thing.
I don't even have a helmet back here.
You don't need. Take that, guys. You don't care. And then we got Jordan in second. Again, I'm going to call him Fro because, man, there's nobody else that can fit that much hair underneath the helmet.
But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment you may or may not have been waiting for, the final of Smagical Northern Nightmare right now.
Boys and girls, it's time for the Dash for Cash. $5 for the win, $5 for the best takeout move. You wouldn't be a man if you didn't go for both. Pit Viper putting up $100 for the best crash, which, if it includes the best takeout move, should be split between the takeout-E and the takeout-er. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.
The most technical gnarly pit bike course I've ever ridden. I was upside down every lap for this stupid rock, but this man is a legend.
That's a wrap on the Northern Nightmare 2.0. Dash for Crash is over. I won. Beat Travis. I'm not hitting you. You just won this crash. You just won this crash.
Oh! Mother of God. Stay down.
No, I'm not broken.
You did that way too good. You rotated too good. That worked way better than expected, but also worse.
I don't know if I have it again now.